Hi, baby. Good morning. Huh. The Easter Bunny came to see you. You want to open it? See if Daddy will help you bring it back into your room.
Take it back in your room. You can open it. Come here. Yeah, be careful.
Ooh, that.
Yeah, wow, how about that?
That.
Oh, wow.
And
Wow.
Play-Doh.
Little Play-Doh, right.
Play-Doh.
You want me to open this?
Yeah.
Pull. Pull that one. Pulling. Okay. Mommy's going to do a Boy Scout now. Boy Scout knot. Whoa. Whoa. Look at all of that stuff.
You want to take it out of the plastic?
Bob.
Maybe we lift it out of the plastic.
Ooh.
I love it. Peeps are the best.
What is that? Wow. Do you want me to lift the basket out of the plastic?
Mommy.
It is a bunny.
What does Bunny have on its face?
Harper's?
Those are for you, I think.
I think they fit you, Harper.
Put them on your face.
Careful. There you go. Oh, those
All
fit great.
right.
Those are cool.
Those are awesome.
Do you want me to help you get the basket out of the plastic?
Okay. Happy Easter.
Yeah. Yeah, new bunny. There you go.
I love it. We have to put some juice in there.